Bugün çok harika bir restorana geldim Bali'de. Uluwatu bölgesine, Jimbaran bölgesine yakın bir yerdeyim. Buradan burada bir ince bir girinti vardı haritada gördüğünüz. Şu sol taraftaki deniz Jimbaran Beach'i görüyor. Sağ tarafta da Nusa Dua Beach'i görüyor. Buradan da solu göstereyim, Jimbaran Beach'in olduğu yeri. Şu arası da kuzeye doğru giden yolların olduğu bölüm. Böyle yeşilliklerin içerisinde çok güzel her yer ağaçları. İçerisi de gayet hoş bir restoran. Tam bugün de böyle yemeğimizi burada yiyeceğiz. Aloo Tikki'nin ismi Aloo Tikki'nin Hindistan yemeği. Bakalım tadı çok enfes, değişik baharatlar var içinde. Şefle de küçük bir interview yapmayı düşünüyorum. Vakti olursa. Biraz sonra onunla konuşacağız.
Make another special again for the second time here at the FBI. We will make Aloo Tikki.
Aloo Tikki.
Aloo Tikki.
The name of the
Aloo
food
Tikki.
is Aloo
Okay,
Tikki.
okay.
Yeah, the name is Aloo Tikki. Aloo means is potato. And Tikki is mean patty. So Aloo Tikki is
Ready potato.
so very simple because it is very popular in India. Very popular because in the ingredient very easy, like potato, only potato, and only spice. Only spice, potato and spice. Like ginger, garlic, salad, coriander, turmeric. It's very easy. How to make also very easy. But I need to
That's
Rice?
Pop
Rice.
rice.
Okay.
Pop rice.
Sweet rice.
pop rice.
Pop rice.
crunchy.
Crunch rice.
Yeah.
We need more stick.
Okay,
Out of stick.
I will explain again. So after we fry, we end up like this.
Right.
After the fry, look like a mushroom.
Yes. So we remove the stick and put in here.
So that you need this fartuk. How to say?
I forgot the name.
Oh, this one.
Okay.
And this?
Work.
Come.
Musab,
No,
work.
my work finished. Anyone? Okay, come.
It's Yuna. Nice to see you. How is Bali?
Nice.
Okay. Good. Baby.
Okay, thank.
Oh. I think it's impossible.
Possible. Possible.
Okay.
Possible. My English finished.
Yeah, it's enough.
This
And you can feel this.
time is for the
Everything is ready.
Only video okay work. I want to.
The mushroom
So inside of the hole.
Seda is good cooker. Nefis. Oh, chef, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Harry. I am the chef at Kuka restaurant.
Kuka restaurant. Where are you from originally?
I am from the Bali.
Bali. Wow, Balinese
Yes.
chef. How many different kind of dishes, kitchen can you cook? What kind of countries?
The
Can-
country one? Only in Bali.
In Bali.
Only in Bali.
Can you cook Indian food? I know, but other kitchen?
The Spain one like gazpacho
Uh-huh.
and
How about
and,
Malaysia?
Korea, K-pop, like K-pop.
Wow, nice.
Yeah. food us.
Thank you for cooking for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.